Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. This is for the month of April. You always get some stickers on the inside to label the products that you make, which is very handy. And then several recipe cards. So this one is for gunk remover. They put how long it takes to make, the estimated shelf life, ingredients, and instructions, and normally they fit all on the front. Pretty easy. On the back there's information about the box, current box, future boxes, and the company itself. And this one talks about their 13%, their bottles say 13% on it because that's how much they donate to charity. So this one is about trafficking. Beeswax furniture polish. That sounds interesting. And now that we're banned and quarantined to our house, I've been doing some deep cleaning, so this box came just in time, really. How you can get 50% off your next box. Some information about that there. I also have a promo code where you get a gift card as well, so I'll put that below. Grout scrub. Could definitely use that. And they blend it with vinegar. I use white distilled vinegar to clean grout all the time. It's amazing. Just let it soak on there. Here's a sneak peek at next month's box. The theme is Woman Up, support women's health in toxin-free ways. Tells you what oils you get, what recipes you get, and the extra stuff. Very cool. Work It Roll-On. So that has peppermint and tea tree and clean and fresh essential oil blend. Do you have any question? They have a frequently asked questions page, a blog. Shine spray, again with vinegar. I love using vinegar to clean, and it's so cheap too. Here are the essential oils that came in this month's box, which I'll show you here in a minute. And the extras and everything else. Happy Home Diffuser Blends, which are some of my favorites that they include. This one is a blend of lemongrass, peppermint, clean and fresh essential oil. And then there's always a note from Katie. And let's take a look at the essential oils. We have sweet orange. That one smells good. Trying not to mess up my nails. I just put them on not that long ago. I'm trying not to gouge up the tips of them. Next we have patchouli. I've mentioned that many times before. I love the smell of patchouli. Also have energy, eucalyptus, lemon, peppermint essential oil in that blend. And cypress. As I was reading the labels for those essential oils, I'm like, wait a minute, I don't think those are right. So these are the ones that are supposed to come in this box. I did get different ones, which may have been from last month, so I'll have to go look. But I do have these. These are very common ones, except this is a blend. So this one actually is lemon, grapefruit, fir needle, and neroli. So all stuff I have, so not a big deal, but if you received the wrong essential oils, obviously email them, and I'm sure they will send you out the correct ones. So, we'll show you the extras. These are accurate. I did look. So we have a spray bottle and a little 1-ounce container, and then a toothbrush for your grout, so you can rub your mixture in there. A little bamboo toothbrush. So very cool. I'm actually going to put these to use while we're on quarantine. So if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I'll put all the information below and my promo code. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.